Hi all, this is Afzal, an enterprise architect and data engineering leader. In this video, I am going to explain with Streamlit, how you can read Excel data with just few line of code. Let's jump to the Visual Studio Code. With that, I will explain you how you can read Excel data. Okay, let me explain you about the code. For this, you must need to install Streamlit and Pandas. So the very first line of code, you need to import the Streamlit. The next line of code, you need to import Pandas. The fifth line, this is just a commented code. Uh, the fifth line is just create a object of Streamlit and invoke the method title. And this is just as a title, it will show in the page reading Excel data. Anything you can write here is just a text on the web page. The next line is need to create a variable and create the object of Panda and invoke the method read Excel. And this is the Excel file which I have downloaded. I can show you here. This is the sales data. See, these are the columns. I will upload this file in the video so that you can download it. Let's jump back to the code. And that's it. You have to have only one line st, again Streamlit object, write, and write the data frame of the Excel read which you read from the Panda. So you see how, so what I will say that you see how the interaction between Pandas and Streamlit, it's very easily both can talk, and or I'll say that in other word, integrate. Let's run this code. I have explained in other video how you can run in Visual Studio the Streamlit. You need to have Python -m Streamlit and run, and then the Python file. Press enter. It will run a local web server, and this is the text, and you see all the data came, and even you can download from here as a CSV file. You can have a search option, and this you can make it bigger or smaller, and see you can do ascending and descending from the column. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up.